biggest question I get as the real estate accountant is, Greg, they either come up to me and say an example of something they want to be able to write off, and they say, is this tax deductible? Or they ask for simply a list of things that are tax deductible for agents. While I do have a list, I don't like sharing it because just because it's on the list or isn't, doesn't necessarily mean it's tax deductible for you. Start asking, how do I make this tax deductible? The thing I like about this strategy is I'm not asking you to come out of pocket and spend any more money than you're already spending. I'm basically showing you how you can use things you already have to earn more money in your business and get a tax deduction. I'm not talking about just writing things off to write it off. How can we legitimately incorporate them in the business, help you generate more revenue, and get a tax deduction instead? Stop asking, is it tax deductible? Start asking, how do you make it tax deductible?